guys, the one who are new to our channel. I'm Nandan. Today we are gonna speak about the fifth most famous site in the world, Reddit.
What is Reddit? It's a massive collection of forums where people can share news and contents or comment on other people's posts. Checking Reddit is just like reading daily newspaper, timely, interactive, personalized, participatory, absorbing, and good. People can send links of photos, articles, and funny videos, whatever they like according to the user's choice. It's a simple idea which makes Reddit the best. The word itself means Reddit, which means I already read it on Reddit. It's a kind of awesome curse because there is editor on Reddit. You never know what you're going to find, which is funny or interesting or enriching because thousands of people have already voted. It's something to see. Think in this way. If Google is the way to search for the thing, Reddit is the way to see the thing. It's not only one list of stuff, it's broken into millions of communities known as subreddits. If it's just like politics, programming, or just funny image captions, sports, or news, and this is going to be the Reddit if of your anyone with Reddit account can create a subreddit. The homepage shows you various posts that are currently trending on the site, pulled from variety of subreddits, and one can see the number of readers on the Reddit. This is the homepage. For example, or the section where there is 24 hours battle to find the cutest image ever. That is, if we keep baby animals photo, it will show you the cutest baby animal which is highly rated by the users on Reddit. So here we can see the various pictures of cutest baby animals. Without editors running the site, how does this sorting process work? Links submitted by the people are the balloons floating up and down. When someone votes up, it goes up and down when voted down. So this gives the chance to compete between them. This method is shockingly good. Therefore, as you like subreddits, the main pages becomes yours, listing all the best stuffs you liked, leaving the other stuffs you don't. So Reddit is like life. It is what you make it. This is the chart that we have made it to explain Reddit in short, which contains uses, functions, and one personal review.
Hope you guys got an idea about Reddit.
This video gives the basic idea about Reddit for the beginners.
Please let us know whether you liked our video by commenting below.
Do share, like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.